Here are the 5 best GoPro for hunting. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. GoPro Hero 6 Black. This one is probably the most advanced GoPro on our list since it combines additional features alongside the traditional ones and makes the best hunting camera ever. With this modern camera, you can share content between your camera and your mobile device as it features ultra-fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Also, the 2-inch touchscreen with an improved user interface makes it easy to view and use. The GP1 chip produces super quality images even in the dark, while the live video focusing feature lets you click in unstable conditions. Number 2. GoPro Hero 7 Black. If you are a professional hunter looking for a pro-quality GoPro camera to record intense hunting moments, then you should definitely invest in this modern GoPro. This camera anticipates your movements beforehand and films smooth footage owing to its hypersmooth video technology. The 12MP lens captures impressive shots, while the HDR and noise reduction optimize your clicks to the fullest. The most surprising feature of this incredible unit is the voice control feature. So, whether you are jumping or aiming at your target, you can click amazing shots with just a voice command. Number 3. GoPro Hero 5 Black. Durable design, 2 big touchscreen, and stunning 4K display are what make GoPro Hero 5 Black the first choice on our list. The 12M camera gives clear and crispy image formation with numerous modes to suffice your clicking needs. Featuring a compact design, this Hero 5 Black is easy to pocket. Traditional GoPro cameras, this one is also waterproof up to 10M, so you can easily venture underwater without any worries. The adhesive mounts that come with this incredible camera will enable you to shoot smooth videos with perfection. Number 4. GoPro Hero Session Waterproof. The GoPro Hero Session and GoPro Hero 5 Session, as do look alike. However, they have their differences. The GoPro Hero 5 Session offers better frame rates compared to the GoPro Hero Session, but it comes with a hefty price tag. With a sleek and portable design and competitive price, the GoPro Hero Session is an excellent pick for beginner hunters. This tiny camera offers powerful 1440p at 30 fps footage and 8MP bright photos and can easily fit into a small space. The time-lapse and burst mode allows you to capture perfect shots at regular intervals. Number 5. GoPro Hero 8 Black E-commerce. The GoPro Hero 8 unit is designed to deliver hypersmooth video stabilization that produces clear footage even in low-light areas. The 12MP lens supports captivating photos while the improved HDR technology eliminates excessive light and forms super realistic images. As this GoPro supports about 45 different mounts, it makes an ideal partner for hunting and other fun-filled adventures. On the other hand, the voice control feature allows you to navigate through the device easily. Besides, the waterproof housing protects it underwater. Hence you can hunt and capture pics in deep water as well.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.